here today. I'm with my friend Ivan, one of my best friends. He's not my best friend, he's my second best friend. He's right there coming. He's right there on that dirt bike. Then he's gonna come and ramp that. If you guys could hear Black Beatles in the background. You could have ramped it, huh? You could have ramped it. Okay.
I turned too much straight.
Okay, don't hold like.
Crud.
Okay, like that. Hold it like that, right?
I ran too much straight because whenever I went like that, I turned about like Isaiah's like the little hump right there.
And I've been so when you're like so when you're like right there and you're like trying to leave,
Yeah.
do not press the gas because that's your bitch. Right? Like I'm pressing gas, right?
So whenever you ramp it, let go of the gas.
Guys, I ramped it the last time. I just didn't record it. I was like, I was trying to record it.
Your camera like faces more up, like if like this is like facing you, but it barely shows your head. They're playing it in a truck. Watch, if you go far enough, you can see it.
Huh?
Want to pause it?
Okay. Okay. Because when you say don't ramp, don't go too far, I just ramp it. Okay. Hey, don't sit all the way back. You're on plastic. Right there.
Then I'm gonna have to have my knee like this.
He's too big, guys. Alright, scoot a little more back.
Alright,
Right.
maybe?
A little more. Right there. He's too big. Oops. Sorry, the camera's not on, guys. Okay. What happened?
There's that like that bump right there.
Oh yeah.
I turned around it.
Oh, by the Camaro, it's like by the trash can. Yeah, you need to scoot a little more back. He's too big, guys.
Right here, like where that mailbox is.
Oh yeah.
I turned it and I hit it, and like whenever I turned too much, and it went around it and it slid.
Dang. Check your knee. See, guys, look how big he is. Stand up straight, Ivan. He's barely in 5th grade and 10 years old.
Yeah, that's good.
Let me see. Stand straight. The camera can't even show your whole body.
What was your combo saying?
Don't make sure we don't fall off or nothing.
Am I far?
And if it dies, then we have to take it back in and charge it. It's electric, guys. And I still like it's just a dirt bike. At least I got a dirt bike because I really wanted one. I will be uploading, guys. But I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. No time. Long time. He's gonna ramp it, guys. I'm gonna go like this.
Go stand up on it when you're about to ramp.
Oh, I'm not doing that.
I'll do it next watch. Okay.
I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna go like this.
Hopefully your grandma will let us go to the ditch.
Maybe.
Focus. I'm not focusing. He's right. Oh, he's right there.
I told you won't climb up.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to pop like a wheelie right before it.
If you do, you're gonna flip it and probably break.
No,
Guys,
I won't flip it.
hey guys, so when you press the gas like this, when you press it, that's what it makes him. I got the hits that, so we just have to go like this and maybe go like this. Maybe, no, not like that.
Alright, here.
Bad influence. Maybe this guy would be uploading. No. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my other friend. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my other friend, Rapper Gallegos. Check out his YouTube channel.
That's not his YouTube.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's the green.
He changed it? I don't know, but it used to be Rapper Gallegos. Hold on. I'll tell you that when he gets back. He said green something. Come on, dude. He said green something. He's coming right now. It's so blurry. Sorry guys, the thing is like blurry. And losing one that DJ dropped in
Can I try popping a wheelie on you right away?
Yeah. You're gonna have to stand up.
Yeah, no.
See? I don't know if the camera's blurry. Hold on. No, it's not. Turn back. It's all the way over there, guys. Why is it so blurry? Hold on, guys. Let me do this.
Ready?
Who's popping it, guys? Again. Alright, guys. Now I'm gonna ask him. Ivan. So, what was Andrew's other channel name?
I think it was like Green Reaper or something.
Green Reaper.
Yeah.
So makes if it's still Ripper Gallegos, make sure you guys go subscribe to Ripper Gallegos, and
One more time, okay?
make sure if there's nothing, well, there should be videos, but do not search Green Reaper. That's ugh. Ramp it. We're gonna wait for the truck to leave. Ivan, car! No, you're good. No, that's just... Wait! Car! Wait! You're good. Guys, literally look at those Doges. Get pit bulls. I don't know if they're there. Guys, he's coming. He's coming in hot. Sorry, guys. Did it feel like you were like ramping it? I don't know, that messed up my camera. Is it blurry?
No.
Okay, it's good. Camera is getting blurry.
Where did your grandma go?
We went to go drop off my brother.
Where?
And I don't at his house. But I don't like when she drives by herself because she almost got in a car accident like 3 times. I don't like her driving by herself, but she's probably picking up body. Should I take him with me?
Sure.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm taking you guys with me. Alright. I'm gonna I don't know if I'm gonna fall off or something, guys. Shit. I can't turn. There's no brakes. Can hold the brakes, guys. Every time people pass me, they always look at me first. Let me check the bottom of my shoes. These are brand new shoes. These are Ray. Hold on. These are brand new shoes. No, nothing. Alright, I'm gonna drop you guys off here. Yeah. Yeah. I can't hold the brakes. I'm gonna hold the brakes. Alright. I'm gonna record.
Well, let me see if it's working now. That's not good quality, guys, but
It's just not blurry.
It's only blurry when you zoom in. I only zoom in on you whenever you're far. Alright. Still gonna zoom in on you. Still gonna zoom in on you. Sorry guys if it's shaking a lot. As you can see, he's about right. Let me find my hand. About right there. Sorry for the bad quality, guys. Not on our usual camera.
Can I go get it myself?
Yeah. Sorry for that. We should probably like either switch cameras or buy a new camera.
Peace out, guys.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh, sorry for that, guys. He just got attacked by a dog. I'm gonna take it as a zoom. Did it bite you?
No. Can I go play?
Yeah.
The dog, when the dog, you want to stop it right now? And we'll vlog on.
Or do you want to just ride around?
I don't want to ride over there. That dog won't bite you.
No, I'm just.
Wait. Alright, it's good. You could go.
No, I'm just scared because like sometimes when dogs chase me, like my hands, like I can be like pushing it, but my hands they'll just freeze, and then I'll just be here in the dog. And yeah. So I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna go like a little bit over there, and then turn. Okay.
Alright guys, so make sure you guys like the video. Give it let's see. How much?
17, 20 likes.
20 likes. 20 likes. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the post notifications. Peace.